Hi friends, in this video we will look how to configure VLANs, short for Virtual Local Area Networks. The purpose of a VLAN is to separate the networks connected to the same physical switch. Some of the benefits of creating VLANs include enhanced security by creating a virtual boundary, increased performance by limiting the broadcast traffic, and ease of administration. Let's get into it. We will start with the command, show VLAN brief, to review the current configuration. This command displays a single line for each VLAN, status and ports. Next, we will configure VLAN 10 for marketing and VLAN 20 for sales. Let's verify our work with the command, show VLAN brief. Next, we will configure ports G00 and G01 on VLAN 10. As you can see now, both ports are in VLAN 10. Next, let's use the range command and move the two ports to VLAN 20. Let's review our work with two show commands, show interface status, and show VLAN ID. For our last test, we will ping from PC Marketing 1 to Marketing 2, and in a later video, we will configure a trunk link and extend our two VLANs onto switch 2. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more.